Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Polygon MATIC. The price line of MATIC was moving at a very strong support of this rising wedge pattern. But finally it has broken down this support and now it is another price level support as well. And in today's video we will analyze, is there any possibility for the price reversal from here or not? But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas. You can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis without wasting any time. This is the weekly time frame, and here we have been watching that this was a really very strong support. And here we also have the formation of the rising wedge pattern, and this pattern was formed since June 2021 on this weekly time frame, and the price line was having very nice movement between the resistance and support. Here when we test the support here on January, at the first week of January, we had a very nice bounce. For example, if I switch to the daily time frame from here, then we can see that here at the first week of January we touched here at the support, we touched here, and we had some accumulation and we had a very nice bounce, and it was likely to move up from here, but from the daily 25 simple moving average it is rejected and broke down the support first on the daily time frame. Right now on the weekly time frame we are completely below the support and we have broken down the support. And even on the weekly time frame we also have broken down this 25 simple moving average as well. And we had a spike up to this 50 simple moving average. This green line is a 50 weekly simple moving average support, and the price line touched here and recovered back. If we switch back to the daily time frame again, then we can see that after this spike the price line is recovered back above this support, the price level support that we have at $1.5, $1.50. And this is a really very strong support, because previously it has been breaking here as a very strong support for the several weeks, from almost from the start of the November up to the end of November. If I switch to the daily time frame back, then we can see here we have a lot of candlesticks have been accumulated above this level in the month of November. Therefore, right now it can work again as a very nice support on the daily and even on the weekly time frame. But the bad thing on this chart is, on the daily time frame, we have the formation of a head and shoulder pattern. You can see here we have the left shoulder, and here we have head, and this is the right shoulder. Let me place this pattern tool here so it will be easy for you to watch this pattern. Here we have the left shoulder, and this is head. And here we have the neckline, and this is the right shoulder. The price line has broken down this neckline of the head and shoulder pattern, and also the support of this big rising wedge pattern as well. And the target for this head and shoulder pattern is, if I place it here at the neckline, is very down. That is, you can see, approximately at $1.15 right now. It is moving at $1.52. And if the Bitcoin starts any recovery rally or a short reversal on the daily time frame and even on the 4-hourly time frame as well, it is possible that we will be safe to hit this target, and the price line of MATIC will start a big reversal move from here. So next few hours are really very important, because we are having some accumulation above this support, and within the next few hours it can be decided whether are we going to touch this target of the head and shoulder pattern, or we are going to have a reversal move from here. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.